Is the water in your sink taking its sweet time to go down? Or worse, not going down at all? Ooh, that's really annoying. God. Okay, it will take a while. So, here's what I did. Unscrew the P-trap barehanded. If not, grab an adjustable wrench, but don't forget to wrap a cloth around the coupling nuts so you don't accidentally turn them into a scratched up disaster. Or, find a strong human to help. Cue the gross part. Brace yourself because Yep, the gunk and sludge in there could scare off even the bravest soul. But no judgment, this is a safe space. Just take that nasty thing and give it a good wash. And clean the rest of the pipes too while you are at it. Once it's all fresh and fabulous, reattach the P-trap. Tighten it up and make sure those connections are watertight. No drippy surprises. Thank you very much. Moment of truth. Turn the tap on and let the water flow like a glorious waterfall. No more sink tantrums. No more slow-mo drain action. Just smooth, celebrated flow. Smash the thumbs up and hit subscribe to pay your respects to the legendary do-it-yourself plumber who bottled the gunk, tamed the P-trap, and restored the sacred flow of